Hello everyone, welcome back to English Odyssey with me. Today I would like to share with you about my family a little bit. Family is very important part of our lives. So I am very excited to share with you about my family a little bit. So let's get started. Family size and structure. I come from a small family. There are 5 members in my family. My parents, siblings and grandmother. We all live in together in our village. My father roles. My father name is Mahbub Alam. He's a very kind person and hardworking person. He works as a businessman and he always teaches very kind things. And also, my father is the backbone of our family. So I am very much respect him. And my mother is the heart of our family. She always take care of our family and take care our healthy. Okay, her cooking is amazing and she also always support us in everything. And about my siblings, I have a siblings and my younger sister is 16 years old. We share a great bond and have fun together. Sometimes we argue, but till the end we love and respect each other. My family is very close. We also try to spend quality time together. Sometimes we have fun together and also we take lunch, dinner together. And in yearly we go outside to visit natural place together. In yearly we go to visit in natural place of Bangladesh like Coxbazar, Bandarban, Saint Martin. This type of place we go together. So this type of things we enjoy every year, and also every day we lead very quality time with each other. So I think it's very important for me to having uh, this type of loving family. I feel really blessed to have such a loving family. No matter what happens, they are always there to support us and support me, because every family wants that their member do well in their future. So also my family always love me and I love very much to my family. That's all about my family, and you can let me know about your family in the comments below. Okay, and if you like the videos, like, comment and share and subscribe. See you later in any videos.